Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set flight preferences on the Aegean application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Once it is loaded in, you should scroll down and click on the flight preferences button. Then you should select your meal preference. Here you can find a bunch of options, and after that you should select the preferred airport too. If you are done with selecting these preferences, click on the update flight preferences button down below to save your changes. As you can see, your flight preferences have been updated successfully. So if you want to change them, you can come back to this section and change it anytime you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.